Hello and welcome. So I am filming this after I did the other part of my video, and I just wanted to share at the beginning of the video that towards the end, this is the make that I do with the Freebie Friday, and I also go over in this video this new kit and how I made the kit. So stay tuned, here we go. Hello and welcome to Freebie Friday for, can you believe it, September 3rd, 2021. So here is today's freebie, and it's 6 journaling cards that I have oceany, is that a word? Ocean quotes that I found, and they are on some mixed media backgrounds that I created and then scanned and kind of lightened up a little bit. So these can go if you're making an ocean journal with the ocean hue journaling kit. And so yeah, so I am gonna play a clip probably right in here, just a quick show you how I created these pages, and then I will come back and show you a little bit more. All right, so that was the clip showing you how I made the pages, and then I couldn't stop with just the freebie, so I thought, well, these would be really cool backgrounds for my ocean journal that I am making. I was trying to find a page. Oh, I'll get to that. Okay, so this is a journal kit. It is listed in its backgrounds. It's listed in my shop. I have to think. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with seashell images, and then there's 2 tag pages, and then there's 6 that are just backgrounds. So these would be fun in an ocean journal, or if you're doing a color blue, or you know, that kind of thing. And my intention was you could use them just like this, but see, that's what oh man, the struggle is real. All right, hold on. All right, here, perfect. Okay, thought I was prepared. Okay, so here's one of the pages, and you could then print it on the back of the pages in the kit. Or here, this one has more similar colors. Wouldn't that be fun for the ocean? All right. And this is also if you aren't into getting inky and messy, but you like the look of that mixed media, then this is also the kit for you. All right. And you could use it in collage and tags, all that good stuff. Okay, so here we have the seashells on the side. And then this one has starfish. This one got really inky and fun. And this one has a whale. And I love this part. It could either look like a wave or like a whale like diving in the ocean. And that was cool how that turned out. And then we have some seahorses. Some nautical icons right there. And then my favorite octopus. I just love it. Oh, so cool. And then I made 2 pages of tags. Here's one, and here's the other. So the dark blues and then the whites. And then we have the same pages just with the fun inky pages. So here are the 6 pages. And I mean, these could be tags or journaling cards. You could layer things on top, and this would be a cool background for a card. Super fun. All right, so this is the mixed media ocean kit, and it is currently on sale, 50% off, and you also have today's Friday freebie. So I will be using these in my ocean journal. All right, so I forgot to mention what the quotes say. So let me read them. A smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly. Van Morrison. Together, we can face challenges as deep as the ocean and as high as the sky. Sonia Gandhi. The sea, the sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its net of wonder forever. And that's Jacques Cousteau. The ocean stirs the heart, inspires the imagination, and brings eternal joy to the soul. Robert Weiland. Take me to the ocean, let me sail the open sea, to breathe the warm and salty air and dream of things to be. That's Erica Billups. And then we're back to the beginning. All right, so I mentioned cards, and I thought, oh, well, that's what I want to do. So I got my stuff ready. I have some card bases, and let me show you what I have here. So I have a card base. These are from Michael's, the pre-folded and scored and all that stuff. I have those in my stash, and then I cut words are hard. A border or a mat. There's the word that fits, so you can still see a little bit of the green, and then some of the deli coffee paper. And so I was going to layer this on, and then I think the two I wanted to use I put up front or on top. So I think I'm going to do like that, and then I have a little embellishment to do. Is this still sticky? Let's give it a try. I found some of my kids' glue sticks, and I thought, oh, well, glue sticks would work. And a scrap piece of paper for my gluing. Let's see if there's any stick left to this glue. Well, it's being messy, that's for sure. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to stick this on. There we go. And then my deli paper. I'm going to use all the glue stick on this one card. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put that down. Now you could use foam, right, if you wanted to make it dimensional. But I'm just going to do it like this because I'm going to add something dimensional to the top. There we go. All right, so at Dollar Tree, I found these guys, and I thought these would be perfect on this card. And then when I made the backgrounds, I also took some cheesecloth and I dyed them with my inks and sprays. So I thought this would be fun to add. Maybe this bright one. Kind of fray it out a little bit. I might need this glue. Put a little glue down, and I'm just going to kind of smush it around in the glue. There we go. This way. This way, think like that. Put a little glue here. Now I could, use inks and stuff to change up the color of the seashell, but I kind of like this natural look for this card. There we go. We're just gonna smush it down. Pretty fun. And then I also have pearls. I didn't know if we needed a little pearl bling right in here. Maybe down here. There we go. There's one. And I like it. And then let's do the other one. I'm going to do the same style. This time I have just a white background. Or base, I should say. Glue stick. And then you could send these cards, of course, or you could add them as little flips in your journal. And then you could flip them open and there you'd have lots of journaling space. Kind of cool. Or you could mail them to a friend. To do Van Morrison. I'm tossing things all over. Put this in the center-ish. There we go. Do you want an octopus? Or will a dolphin fit? I think the dolphin fits a little bit better. Let's maybe do this green. Glue down. Oops, I need a little more glue here, it looks like. And smush. Smushy smush. There we go. Then we'll put the dolphin. Gosh, the little pieces are sticking to my fingers. Yellow glue here. All right. I'll stick a little pearl here that needs glue. There. Might need a little more. Just make sure the dolphin is nice and secure. And there we go. Those are fun. The other idea I had, I looked to see if I had any, but I thought these would make really cool fridge magnets. So if I had some magnetic paper, which I don't, which is crazy because I usually do for teaching, but you could run these through and make some fun magnets for your fridge. And that would be a fun little thing that you could attach to the card on the front and then put removable sticky, and then this would be the little gift and they could put it on their fridge. I thought that'd be kind of fun. But I do not have magnetic paper or I would have done that. All right, so there's my cards and I have some more left over that I can make. But again, you can get this freebie from Cara, Brandon, and Friends on Facebook. And I hope you have a wonderful day and have a great weekend crafting. Okay, see you next time. Bye.